How are you, Jaya?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fine. Good evening,
Uh,
ma'am.
Good evening. So, we are meeting very first time on my channel. So, could you please introduce yourself?
Thanks for giving me such a beautiful opportunity.
Yeah.
I am Jaya. I am Jaya Tripathi. I am from Meerut
Mm-hmm.
and I'm homemaker and I have completed my diploma in electronics engineering and I did AMIE, which is equivalent to BTech, and I am blessed with two daughters. And as far as my hobby is concerned, I love to do dance, I love to read books, and I love to travel. And nowadays, I am totally focused on my improving communication skill as well as speaking practice. That's all about me.
Wow, it's really great to know about yourself. And you were telling you were out of station, right? Yeah. So,
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
are you
I went
traveling?
to
Mm-hmm.
actually I went to Gorakhpur
Mm-hmm.
um, because I belong to Gorakhpur
Mm-hmm.
and I lived there. But recently, due to my husband got transferred, I have shifted in Meerut.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for some work, I have to go there. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So,
Now I came here.
okay. So tell me something about yourself, more about your family or about your plannings. Tell me something new.
Yes, uh, I have nuclear family. I live with my husband and daughter, younger daughter, because my elder one lives with their uncle and auntie in Gurugram.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Yeah.
and nowadays I am learning this skill,
Mm-hmm.
communication skill.
Yes.
Yes, and actually earlier I was not much consistent, but
Mm-hmm.
when after returning my home, I just want to continue this journey again,
Mm-hmm.
and I want to work much more. Yes, to enhance this or to polish this skill.
Okay.
Yes.
So please tell me about your schedule. How do you follow your household chores and other things, and as well as you are working on your skill to improve your English skill. So please tell me something about your schedule to us.
Actually, ma'am, as I am early bird and I prefer to wake up early in the morning
Mm-hmm.
because it was my childhood routine. I can say that from childhood I wake up early in the morning, and when and as a homemaker I would prefer to complete my all the household chores till 12 p.m. After that, I believe to take out time from for myself
Mm-hmm.
actually, and 12 p.m. till 3 p.m. I would like to do for myself, to
Mm-hmm.
do work for myself, and after 3 p.m. After 3 to 7, after 3 p.m. I take tuition
Yeah.
till 7 p.m. Yes, and after that, yes, and after that I spend time with my daughters and my husband, and after that I make I do dinner. I make dinner, and yes, it's my daily routine.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
you give yourself your me time, and as well as you take tuitions also. So it's really you have a lot of things on your plate. So what subject you teach there?
Actually, my specific subjects are physics, chemistry, and mathematics.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, but I teach all the subjects up to class 10th standard. The
Mm-hmm.
students are coming from ICSC boards and CBSC board.
Okay, so
Yes.
you take Hindi and Sanskrit also.
Yes, yes, yes. No problem. But
Mm-hmm.
from class 9th, I would prefer to teach physics, chemistry, and mathematics only.
It's really
Yes.
great. These all are very tough subjects.
Yes.
Physics
Yes.
and mathematics. It's really tough.
Yes.
So, so tell me something about your daughters, because I think one daughter is preparing for some exams, I think. So tell
Yes.
me
Yes.
about.
Actually,
Hmm.
yeah. From 11th standard, uh, she is preparing IIT
Hmm.
JEE, and
Hmm.
that's why she did non-schooling. But at this time, CBSE not allowed to do non-schooling. That's why she has taken admission in 12th standard, and simultaneously she is preparing IIT JEE also from Gurugram VMC Institute.
Hmm.
And my younger one lives with me, and she is in class 10th standard.
Hmm. Hmm.
And yeah, both are both my daughters are very good in studies. And yeah, and their English speaking is also very good. Um, and their behavior also very good. Yes. They we lives as a mother as well, and also as a
As a
friend.
friend, wow. Oh, it's really
Yes,
great. Uh,
most of the time we spend as a friend.
yeah.
But in other phase, I have to live as a mother also.
Yeah, we have to
Yeah.
take this responsibility first, and we'll have to be their friend also. So it's really good to know about your understanding with your kids. It's really nice to know about that. And tell me something about your food habits today. What do you like to have? What is your favorite food? Generally, no one asks homemakers that what do you like to have and what is your comfort food. Because we generally make all the dishes for our children and for our husband. So that's why I asked. Tell me something about your comfort food.
Actually, to be honest, I like junk food very much, and my daughters also.
Yes.
Okay, and yeah, but uh, junk food is, as you know, that junk food is not healthy for our health. That's why we have to take it not a regular basis, only one or in 1 month, or
But
always
one.
my husband, yeah, always my husband says that you uh, junk food is not healthy, and you don't have to take it. She gives lots of lecture on junk food,
Okay.
but but I like very much junk food. And if I get junk like pizza, burger, or anything, I would prefer to eat it.
Really good to know, just
But
because of we are friend of our children. That's why our choices are like this only. And I want to tell about myself, because I also love junk food, fast food, but as well as whatever comes in front of me, like traditional dishes or Indian dishes, continental, whatever comes in front of me, I really like everything. It's my
yes, yes, yes.
specialty. If you give me Loki roti, then also I enjoy. I can't tell about my comfort food. If someone asks this question to me, so I can't reply, because I love chole bhature also, puri saag also, and Loki roti also. I
Yes, yes,
can't
yes.
tell.
It happens to me also. It happens to me also. I love everything, but
Yeah.
I like most junk food. Yes,
Yeah,
and my
so
daughters
true.
also.
Yeah.
Yes. But my husband doesn't like this.
He doesn't it's very good, because if he likes, so it will be a headache for you, because you have to take care of his health then. So it's good,
Yeah.
it's good he doesn't like. So
Yes. Ma'am, I like your calm personality. I like your sir, really. I'm very much fascinated. Your whenever I see your face, just looking like very calm.
thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. And because just because of Sahaj Yoga meditation, I meditate
Yes.
every morning and evening. That's why I'm like that, and everyone feel like that. I am calm
I
and
watching
inside.
you.
Yeah, inside, because I have this uh, peace in my heart because of Sahaj Yoga meditation. So that's why maybe it is reflecting in my
Yeah.
personality.
Yes, I watches your video. I watches your Sahaj Yoga video. My elder sister is also engaged with Sahaj Yoga as I told you
Yeah,
earlier.
last time you have
Yes,
told me
yes,
this thing,
yes.
and I really appreciated that, and I was so happy to know this.
Yes.
So I will upload this video on my channel so you can share it with your sister, and she will be really happy about this video. Yeah.
Actually, my elder sister and her family is totally engaged with Sahaj Yoga and devoted with Shri Mata Nirmala Mata Ji, I think.
Mataji Nirmala Devi ji.
Shri Mataji Nirmala
Yeah.
ji.
Mm-hmm.
And every time she morning and her morning and evening time she I think
Meditate.
she does
Meditate.
yeah
Mm.
and take realization and yeah do she
Realization.
does meditation and
Mm-hmm.
her one room is totally uh, uh,
Dedicated.
with and one large photo
Mm-hmm.
of Sri Mataji. She put in her room. One room is separate for Sri Mataji,
Wow.
and
Mm-hmm.
yes, and if she start anything new, first she does all the formalities related to Sri Mataji. After that, she does anything.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very nice.
And
Good to know about this.
yes.
Yeah, last time
And I'm
also
fine.
we talked on this topic, and you told me about your sister, and I was
Yes.
really happy to know all these things.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, do you want to ask anything? Do you have
Ma'am,
any
I
questions?
was,
Hmm.
ma'am, when you told me that whenever I have time, I will connect to you, and I was eagerly waiting
Yeah.
your
Hmm.
call. And one day you called me, and at that time I was traveling. I was traveling, and I was unable to attend your call, and I message you,
Yes.
message.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And now I and now I yesterday I have started.
Hmm.
Yesterday I have started, and yesterday I didn't take any video session, but yeah, take I took audio call. I attended audio call, and today I started uh, video call, and I drop message you,
Yeah.
ma'am. I am I want to take session with you, and yeah,
So, do you
and
have
finally I
any? Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Complete whatever you wanted to say.
And now I say that now I get a chance to
Yeah.
convo with you. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So I was asking, do you have any plan to create your own channel also? Do you also want
Ma'am,
to be a YouTuber?
ma'am, I run YouTube channel.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Oh, yeah. Maybe you
at
was.
the time of Corona, I started YouTube
Yes,
channel,
yes.
and where
You told. You
yes,
told. I forgot. I forgot that.
yes,
Yeah.
But I upload only short videos, motivational
Hmm.
type of video. Only one
Hmm.
and two video I have uploaded conversational video,
Okay.
just for watching views and liking.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yes, because I think first I have to command on this skills, then I upload conversational video, because I do lots of mistake, and it is a
Don't
social
think.
media.
I also made thousand mistake. We all are learners, and everybody knows this. That and we can't perfect. We can't be a perfect speaker because it is a foreign language. So will please don't wait for that. Just start your journey, and while conversing with others, you will that confidence and your vocabularies and everything will be better day by day.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am, this is a reason I
Mhm.
am unable to upload video, because I think that what people say if I do any mistake.
Don't think like this. No, nobody will judge you because everyone knows. And Jaya, any advanced learner don't have that much time that they will watch our videos. They won't watch. They will do something else. So
Hmm.
we all like me, like you, will watch each other's videos generally. So we will not like you. I am making. If I make any mistake, will you judge me? No. So we all are like this. So just start creating your videos, and nobody will judge.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Ma'am, please tell me,
Mhm.
how can I keep myself calm like you?
For that, you have to start Sahaj Yoga meditation because my advice will be this only, and I always advise that. And for that, you have to give only 5 to 10 minutes in a day. That's sufficient. Watch my
Okay.
video that how means Sahaj Yoga or Atma Sakshatkar first. Please watch that video and take your self realization. And you can watch Shimata ji's video also. All videos are available, and you can ask for you to your sister also for self realization. And
Yeah, 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 ma'am.
self
Sure.
realization, when you get your self realization, then practice meditation. Only 5 to 10 minutes in the morning and 5 to 10 minutes in the evening. And definitely you will find that peace
Okay.
inside your heart.
Actually, I do meditation regular,
Mhm.
and it is yeah, Anlom Vilom, Kapal Bhati, and Brahmari Om chanting,
Mhm.
and Udgit. Yeah, these type of yoga I do on a regular basis, and I watch your Sahaj yoga video also.
Mhm.
When earlier, when you said to me, when you explained at that time,
Yes.
I
Mm-hmm.
continue watching
Mm-hmm.
on regular basis.
Okay. So after
Yes.
some time, definitely you will find when you meditate by Sahaj Yoga way. So you will find your
Okay.
thoughtlessness. And this
Mhm.
thoughtlessness will give you that peace of mind.
Yes.
Because while doing pranayam and other practices, we can't find our thoughtlessness. And
Yes, yes.
when one can't attach, can't find thoughtlessness or inner silence, so then we can't unite with the all pervading power. Through inner silence or thoughtlessness only, one can unite with the all pervading power. And when we unite with the all pervading power, then only we can find this inner peace or all the peace of the world. Because he is only the giver. He only can give. this piece.
Yes. Yes.
By doing every kind of practices, you can find your physical fitness, but you can't
Hmm.
find that thoughtlessness.
Yes.
This
Lots of
thoughtlessness.
thoughts. Lots of thoughts
Yeah.
are roaming in mind while doing
While doing
meditation.
meditation. Yes.
Yes.
So if you
Hmm.
are not thoughtless, then you are not united with the divine power. So
Hmm.
this is the sign. If you are thoughtless for only 1 second, 2 seconds, so that is sufficient.
Hmm.
And for
Yes.
that,
Yes.
you have to find your self-realization first, and
Yes.
then meditate by Sahaj Yoga.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Yeah.
I am trying.
Definitely
I
you
will
will
try
find.
to.
Definitely you will find your self-realization, or your after practicing by Sahaj Yoga way. Definitely you will find your thoughtlessness, inner silence, because you are a seeker. You are asking that,
Yes.
and
Ma'am.
this is only
Yes. Ma'am.
needed. This is only needed in Sahaj Yoga.
Yes. Ma'am. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
Actually, my battery goes down.
Okay, no issue. So it's fine. Fine. It's really nice connecting with you, Jaya, and definitely we'll connect again soon. Whenever you have time, please message me, and we'll connect again.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
great day. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. Same here.